Hello boys and girls, and welcome back to your math lesson. I am Miss Moran, and today and this week we continue learning about sorting. Remember, sorting is when you look at an object or a person or a thing, and we're looking at how they look, their attribute, and then we're putting them into a group. All the ones that look alike, we put them in a group, okay? So today, since it's a review, I want to show you videos about sorting all this week. So today I have another video I want to show you. And this one is about a bear that he's sorting his clothes to wash them. And he sorts them in different ways. So that's, you know that you can make different groups, right? Sometimes you can sort by color. And the same thing, you can sort it by size. So we're going to look at this bear, how he's going to be sorting the same thing different ways.
My top drawer's empty, what'll I do? My middle drawer's empty, what'll I do? My bottom drawer's empty, the closet too. Time to do my laundry. Whites in one pile, colors in two. Lights and darks all separate you. That makes 3 loads waiting to do. I separate my laundry. Wash those socks that slipped in the stew. Rinse those t-shirts, trousers, and shoes. Dry them all, they look like new. Here is my clean laundry. I'll sort by colors and shapes and sizes too. Reds with reds and blues with blues. Big for me and little for you. I'm sorting my clean laundry. Socks in the top drawer, that's what I do. Shirts in the middle drawer, how about you? Pants in the bottom drawer, now I'm through doing all my laundry. I sorted out my laundry and then I put away my laundry.
Okay, so that was the video I wanted to show you. Okay, so now I want to show you your homework or your activity for today. Here we have some animals. And here are our groups, what we're going to sort them by. And on this side, we're going to put all the animals that live underwater. See, there's water, so that they live in the ocean or rivers. And over here, we're going to put things or animals that can fly in the air. So it says here in the air, and then we have little clouds to help you. So over here is underwater animals, and over here stuff that you see in the air. It could be animals or it could be things, all right? So let me do a couple of them just to give you an example, and then you can do it by yourself. Okay, so this little fish right here, is that underwater? Does it belong underwater or does it belong in the air? Underwater, right? So we're going to put it right there. Okay, here we have an airplane. Do the airplanes go underwater or they go in the air? In the air, right? So we're going to move it and put it right here. All right? So here we have a kite. Underwater or in air? In the air, that is correct. So you have to look at the animal and think about it. Should they go underwater, in the group of the underwater, or should they go in the group in the air? All right? I hope you like your homework. This is your homework, okay? So now, before I let you go, let me review what we learned today. Okay, so today and this week, we are reviewing what sorting means. And we're sorting objects, or animals, or things. And we're sorting them into groups. We're putting all the items or all the things that are the same in one group, okay? So today, in our homework, we sorted underwater, things that go underwater, and things that go up in the air. Okay, so that's the characteristic we were using today. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I will see you tomorrow where we will continue sorting. Bye-bye.